Hello and happy Vlogmas day 24. Gosh, we are here at the end of Vlogmas. I cannot believe it. I'm sorry about this angle. I am currently sat on the floor wrapping the last presents. So I'm about there. Didn't want to be doing this on Christmas Eve, but we ended up having family here yesterday. So that was really nice day and thoroughly enjoyed that. So yeah, I'm just doing the last little bits. I've got some mince pies to make this afternoon. And then I'm just basically going to have a fairly chilled out afternoon, fingers crossed, hoping to watch a Christmas film of some description with the boys. That would be nice. So this morning my boys did park run again for Christmas Eve, so all three of them did it this time as well, which was really lovely. So Harry and James came in one after the other. It was a bit of a busier day today, and Thomas struggled around, bless him, because he's got the cold that I had. I've come out of the other side of it now, but he had the cold, so I will insert some footage of them doing their run. But yeah, that was quite nice to get out this morning, and Simon's mum came with me, so that was really nice. Go Harry! Go James! Thomas! Go Harry!
Christmas tomorrow.
Go James! Woohoo! Well done, good boy! Woohoo! Well done, Harry! Go for it! Woohoo! Come on, James! Well done! Well done! Go for it! Go, Harry! Go for it! Yay! Well done! Well done! Woohoo! Go for it! Come on, Harry! Woohoo! Go for it! Last lap! That's James. He was coming. Oh, here he is. Well done, James! Go for it! Last lap! Go, go, go! Well done, Thomas! Last lap! Go for it! Woohoo! Go for it! Well done! Woo! That's it! Sprint it in! Go for it! Woo! Well done! Come on, Thomas! Well done! Good boy! How'd you get on, boys? Was it hard today? Yeah. So I thought I'd just quickly pop on and do my last advent with you. So I've got the box here. Today was an online link for Andrea, and it was actually her daughter Keris sharing how to make some what do you call those, paper napkins into a lotus flower, which I thought was really good because I usually make paper hats because I used to work in a pub part-time, so I know how to do the paper hats, but that's going to be a nice one to try, so I would definitely do that because I do quite like putting a little bit of decoration on the table. So the last one then is for Angela from Beyond the Pink Door, and I do actually know what this is purely because of the feel of it, and yeah, so it's going to be quite funny actually, because by the time you watch hers and by the time she watches mine, we will have opened the same thing for Christmas Eve. But mine has a little bit of a twist with it, and you will see if you watch her video. Right, goodness, I've got to try and get into this. She's wrapped this one really well. Yeah, it is what I thought. Ta-da! It's a chocolate orange. Yum. I cannot wait to have that. I haven't touched my other one, which I've got on the mantelpiece downstairs, mantelpiece on the fireplace, which has got my little crocheted snowman on the top. But yeah, I'm going to enjoy having some of that over the festive period. So thank you very much. So I just really want to say a huge thank you to every single one of you who have watched my Vlogmas, commented on my Vlogmas. I've truly appreciated all of your support and all of your lovely comments. And I just want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas if you are celebrating it, and hope you have a lovely new year. And I will see you in the new year with all of my plans, hopefully, for what I want to get up to during 2024 and what I intend to be sewing. Yeah. So have a lovely time, everybody. I hope you enjoy yourselves, and I shall see you on the other side. Take care. Bye.